Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Now let's discuss the example question about the topic of area of polygon. Okay, straight away we are going to discuss by using the flowchart method. Okay, now step 1. Okay, step 1 is the question. Right, look at the vertices, identify the coordinates. Okay, so that means identify, we want to count how many vertices there. Okay, so for example question, find the area of each with the given vertices. So from here, point P, point Q and point R are 3 vertices. Is it triangle or quadrilateral? So of course, okay, this is a triangle. So triangles, color here, and then follow the step. Step 2. Do you remember the formula? Okay, so if not, okay, color here, and this is the formula of area of triangle, as well as it is given the area of triangle. Okay, from the area, I can elaborate that if you start with x1, okay, let's say point P. Okay, point P followed by point x2, y2, point Q, x3, y3, point R, and then return back to point P. Okay, x1, y1. Modulus, this is modulus. Okay, that means, okay, if you get any negative value in the modulus, so we have to make it positive, times 1/2. As well as area of quadrilateral, if you start with x1, y1, and then you finish with the from the begin. Let's say if point P, Q, R and S, and then return back point P, times with modulus times with 1/2. Okay, now let's continue with step 3. Determine the area of triangle or quadrilateral. So from here we are not going to find the area of quadrilateral, instead of triangle. Okay, so the area of triangle by using the points given or vertices given, and then we substitute. So 1/2, and we start with point P. Okay, so 6 times modulus 6, 8. Okay, 6, 8, and then negative 3, 6, 10, negative 1, and return back 6, 8. Okay, so P, Q, R, and then okay, so this is how we calculate the value or points in the modulus. Okay, so let's say first green color I use. Okay, so the green color show all the positive. Okay, 6 times 6 plus add or plus negative 3 times negative 1 plus, okay, 10 times 8, and then the second arrows, okay, all subtraction. So minus 8 times negative 3 minus 6 times 10 minus negative 1 times 6, and close modulus, and then simplify, equals to 1/2 modulus 6 times 6, 36 plus 3, right, and then plus 80, then minus 24, sorry, plus 24, negative and negative, and then minus 60 plus negative plus 6. Okay, and then continue 1/2, simplify value in the modulus by using the calculator, you get positive 89, therefore equals to 89/2 equals to 44.5 unit squared. Okay, so there are tips here, right? There are tips here that we can learn. You can see. Okay, so always substitute the coordinates in anti-clockwise direction to obtain positive value. And then the second one, in a clockwise direction, the value will be negative. And if the area equals to 0, the point are collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? Straight line. Okay, so straight line, for example, this one. So this is point P, Q, and R, for example. Okay, so equal to 0, so the point are collinear. Okay, and then it is given the area of polygon. Okay, no. So the answer is no, because we want to find, we actually want to find the area of polygon. So the answer is 44.5. Okay, so if it is given the area of polygon, that means we have to use this kind of calculation. Okay, alright, and then next example question. Okay, the point number 2, the point P, Q and R and S are the vertices of quadrilateral. Given the area of the quadrilateral is 29 29 over 2 unit squared. Find the possible value of A. So this is already I give you the formula of quadrilateral, and it is given the area of quadrilateral is given. Okay, so from the flow chart, that means we have to use this kind of step 5, 6A and 6B. Okay, let's continue with the discussion. Okay, so as usual, okay, substitute the value from P, Q, R and S. So therefore 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2 modulus start from 4, 7, and then A 5, 3A, 6, 6, and return back for 7. Modulus equals to, area is given 29 over 2 unit squared. Alright, so for the positive, okay, so from here actually we can cancel, I will simplify 1 over 2 and 29 over 2, so it become 1 and 29. And then from here for addition area, so modulus, okay, so I put the arrows first, so 4 times 5 plus A times A plus 3 times 6 plus 6 times 7 and then minus, okay, minus the red arrows. Okay, so 7 times A minus 5 times 3 minus A times 6 and minus 6 times 4 equals to 20, equals to 29. Okay, so let me adjust first. Okay, okay, alright, so equals to 29. Okay, 6A, and then simplify, so you get modulus modulus 20 plus A squared plus 18 plus 42 minus 7A minus 15 minus 6A minus 24 modulus equals to 29, and then simplify by using your calculator, so you get A squared minus 13A plus 4 equals modulus equals to 29. Okay, so from here, right, if we open the modulus, so what happened? Okay, when open the modulus from here, okay, so we get negative value and positive value. Okay, like this. Alright, therefore so A squared minus 13A plus 41, sorry, 41, okay, equals to plus minus 29, and then divide into 2. Okay, so at page, okay, so divide into 2. Right, so A squared minus 13A plus 41 equals to positive 29, and the second one is A squared minus 13A plus 41. Okay, this is 41. Okay, equals to negative 29. Okay, so and then continue. Okay, by using the calculator, okay, so A squared minus 13A plus 41 minus 29, so you get bring to the left, so 41 minus 29 equals to plus 12 equals to 0. So by using the calculator, so you will get, okay, first just write down the empty bracket, and then using calculator find the value of A, so you will get the application in calculator, so you get A equals to 1 and A equals to 12. So and then fill in the bracket. Okay, otherwise your method will be wrong. So A plus 1, sorry, A minus 1 and A minus 12 equals to 0. So the answer is 1 and 12. And then, okay, for the second option, so A squared minus 13A, okay, plus 41, bring to negative 29 to the left, so you get plus 41 plus 29 become 70 equals to 0. So by using the apps in your calculator, you will get the answer will be undefined. Okay, so this is how we determine, okay, the area of polygon, which is area of triangle or quadrilateral. So I hope you understand. You can understand and add your new basic skill for area of polygon. Until now, thank you.